about a mile this way, and about 2 miles to the right is the Uzbekistan embassy. I've nearly gone 5 miles for all three, and we can do it. And we've got a look at the 10th of January next year. Another 10 or 11 days in the city of Bishkek. These are quiet, kind of streets. Essentially, that's what I'm saying. But the Afghanistan work quite a long way. So off to get our visas in the next 10 or 11 days here in the city of Bishkek, capital of Kyrgyzstan. It's a quiet day here.